What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Here I have the PlantMax Jungle G2 LED grow light. They sent me over this grow light specifically to do this unboxing and part test video. If this is your first time watching one of my part test videos, I do these just to give you a general idea of what the power output is. It's not going to be exact. I take measurements in grow tents which have reflective walls. This could increase the numbers that you see on the par meter. But knowing these numbers should help determine what the light distance should be from the grow light to the top of the plants. I use the Apogee MQ500 par meter. This meter measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, plus or minus 5 nanometers, and the measurements are in ppfd. Okay, after I unbox the unit, there is this Ziploc bag that includes a power cord, these brackets to hang the light. This cord here is for daisy chaining, a 24 volt adapter, and the user manual. Okay, so I've been told that the coverage area for this grow light is at least 2 foot by 4 foot. However, this grow light does not physically fit in a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent. So I placed this grow light in a 4 foot by 4 foot grow tent, which is actually a pretty snug fit. And when I take the measurements, I'll try to keep my par meter on one side of the tent. I'll be taking measurements at 3 different distances: 12 inches away, 18 inches away, and 24 inches away. Before taking the measurements, I plugged this grow light into my kilowatt meter and it shows 245 watts being pulled from the wall, and it shows 2 amps. Alright, let's get into the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.